Hi my YouTube family, this is Melody from Home Garden and Fashion. Please welcome to Home Garden and Fashion. First of all, I would like to thank you so much for subscribing to my channel, and please do go to my Facebook fan page and give me a like there if you haven't been there already. In today's video, I would like to talk about how you can store blueberries. Now when it's on sale, we get a lot from the market, and if you keep it in your fridge, then you see that in week or two the blueberries start getting fungus. So I found a method of storing them for long periods of time, as I do eat a lot of blueberries. You know, blueberries are really good for us and it's full of antioxidants. So whenever I have any pain anywhere, or if I begin to get sick a little bit, I right away eat lots of blueberries, and then I don't get any sickness or any pain all over the body. I think it is simply due to the fact that blueberries are loaded with antioxidants. So usually we get sick because of inflammation in our body, and this antioxidant really stops any sort of inflammation. So what you can do is, when you get a lot of blueberries from the market, you get the blueberries like this, and you can buy 4, 5, 6 as much as you want when it's on sale, and then you bring it just like that and you store it in your freezer. You keep it closed, tightly closed. The one you're going to use it, keep it in refrigerator, and rest of it you keep it in your freezer just like that. Stick it inside your freezer, and whenever you need it, you take it out on a regular basis and you open it like this, and these are frozen. As you see, they have frosting on top of it. But what you need to do is, before you use it, you put in a container like this and you put some water about 5-10 minutes before you use it, and you keep it like that in warm water, and it will be fresh as fresh blueberries, and it tastes way better than frozen blueberries which comes in a packages. So always try doing this method, and you will have fresh blueberries every time you eat. Just before you eat them, you soak them 5 to 10 minutes in warm water from your tap. You don't have to heat up the water, just use tap water and soak the blueberries for 5 to 10 minutes, and then you use them. So you take out as much as you're gonna use it, do not take out too much, and then you put it back inside again. So this way you will have for months fresh blueberries. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share the video, and I'll be seeing you with many more videos and many more tips. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a great day.